2021 GP SVHO can't get all the water out of the hull. I have a stand that can hold the nose to point the trailer, scrapes 20 degrees. How can I get all the water out? Do I need it all out? It's ideal to leave it all out or get it all out. Sometimes you'll find, and if you looked at it from a true level, the drains are not the lowest point of the ski. The lowest point of the ski is actually in the middle. So tilting it, yes, you could hopefully get most of the water out. Otherwise, you can get one of those $15 water siphons, fluid siphons from Harbor Freight, and it's just a hose, and you put another hose on the end, you just suck it right out. Now, you're done. You want it dry if you're not going to be using the ski. Water does damage. You wouldn't leave water collecting in the bed of your truck or on the hood of your car. It'd rust it out. It hurts fiberglass just as much. So if you're storing it, if you can siphon it out, yes. If you can, suck it out. Find a vacuum, wet vac, towels, get the water out. So, it sounds kind of simplistic, but yeah, it's going to hurt your ski. You don't want water sitting there. Standing water doesn't do anyone any good. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.